Welcome to Excellent Link Academy. Let's solve this last 10 years past question for in trigonometry. So let's look at how to solve these problems. Obviously, I have four questions here. I'll be doing just two for you, and you do two for me, and leave your answer in the comment section. Obviously, if I'm to ask you which one should I do for you, obviously you will tell me to do number 1 and 4 because it seems complex, and one number 2 and 3 are somehow familiar. So no problem, I'll try to do number 1 and 2, or should I do 3 and 4? Okay, let's do 1 and 4. So I'll do 1 and 4 for you, you do 2 and 3 for me. All right, so look up please. Let's start then for number 1, solution to question Q1. So for number 1 there, what am I saying? I'm given cos theta. So cos theta is what? 12 over 13. What does this mean? This one means that if I have my concept of SOH CAH TOA, I know that cos is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. This implies that my adjacent is 12, hypotenuse is what? Is 13, right? So let's draw out a right angle triangle, as in this case, right? Let's assume that my angle theta is at this point. Of course, we said first is first, adjacent, which is this part here, is what? Is 12. And hypotenuse, longest part here, is what there? Is 13. So I need to get this part. Let's call it x. I said you can only get that part using what? Your Pythagoras theorem. So in that case, I should have about, so I'll have what? Let's say 13 squared equal to x squared plus 12 squared. 169 equal to x squared plus 144, right? Take this one here. I'll have 169 minus 144 being equal to x squared. From here, I shall have about it should be 5 here. This 2 here. So if I subtract this, I have 25 to equal to x squared. Let's get x here. Take this square here. I'll have a square root of 25 being equal to x. Get x. So therefore, x is of course 5. So I can say that this part here is 5. So just clean it and write 5 here. So I've gotten my right angle all side complete. Now it says what? Find what? Find 1 plus sin theta over 1 minus sin theta. So first task, if I could find this, I have to get the value for sin theta. So from here, hold on. From here, let's get the value for sin theta. For sin theta, what do I know? Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse, right? And of course, my opposite here is what? Is 5 over hypotenuse is what? Is 13. So I'm saying that the value for sin theta is now equal to what? Is equal to what? 5 over 13. Now let's now find, so find what? Find what? So I have 1 plus sin theta over 1 minus sin theta. This equal to 1 plus sin theta is what? 5 over 13 all over 1 minus sin theta is what? 5 over 13. All right. To break this down, it becomes if I'm to apply fraction here, I shall have 18 over 13. This becomes 18 over 13. If I should solve this one using fraction, I should have 18 over 13 divided by, this one should give 8 over 13. 8 over 13. So I have this. So numerator should give me, if I'm going to apply fraction, numerator should give me this. If I apply fraction here, it should give me this. Alright. Yeah. Alright, from here now, simplify this further, I'll have this numerator is 18 over 13. This symbol signifies divided by this same thing, 8 over 13. From here, change this man to times. So what I have there, I'll have 18 over 13. This one times, this one comes up 13 over 8. So this cancel this. So my answer becomes, I'm left with just what? 18 over 8. So the value for 1 plus sin theta over 1 minus sin theta is what? 18 over 8. So this is solve this particular question for this one here. So it means that you can try out this, right? So you try out number 4, please. So do 2, 3, 4 and leave your answer in the comment section, so I'll reply you as fast as I can. All right, see you in the next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy. If it's your first time joining my channel, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. All right, see you in the next class.